13% of all online purchases now start with AI recommendations. Not an ad or a Google search. Someone opened ChatGPT or Perplexity, typed in best product and bought whatever the AI recommended. And here's the thing e-commerce brands have to know about. AI doesn't make those recommendations up. It pulls from existing discussions on the open web, and the number one source it pulls from, Reddit. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your brand mentioned and recommended by AI, step by step, using Reddit as the platform and Engain to streamline the entire process. Now, people aren't just Googling products anymore. They're asking AI, what's the best cream for oily skin, or any good supplement brands that actually work for weight loss. And AI doesn't make those answers up. It goes to the places where people are having real conversations. Reddit threads, community posts, comment sections, specifically top comments. If your brand isn't in those threads, you don't exist in the AI's answer, and the brands that are in there get the sales. There are Reddit threads right now ranking on page 1 of Google, where people are asking exactly what your customers ask before buying. Threads with 30,000, 50,000, 100,000 monthly clicks from Google. These threads are old, they're established, they already have authority, and they're being used by AI to form recommendations. So the question is, how do I get inside the threads that AI is already reading? The brands doing this right now are winning twice. They get traffic from Google and they get cited by AI from one single comment. Now, you can try to do this yourself, but you run into the same walls everyone does. Reddit has strict rules around self-promotion. You need accounts with history and karma, otherwise your comments get removed instantly. You need different IP addresses for each account. You need to find the threads that are actually getting Google traffic, not just random dead posts. And you need your comment to reach the top, because if you're buried under 40 other replies, nobody simply sees it. Most brands try this once, get shadow banned, and give up. That's the gap, and that's exactly why we built Engain. Let me show you how you can streamline Reddit marketing as I promised in the intro. Start by going to engain.io. Once you click sign up, you enter your store's URL and a couple of competitors. Engain reads your product, understands your niche, and sets everything up. Now, the first tab I always go to is SEO opportunities. This is where Engain shows you Reddit threads that are already ranking on Google for keywords in your niche. And next to each one, you can see the monthly traffic it's pulling in from Google. So you're not guessing which threads matter, but you actually see which threads matter and are worth commenting on. These are the exact pages AI is learning from. So for this example, let's say I'm running a skincare brand. I can see a thread in my niche that gets this many monthly clicks. The title is a buying question. Real customers actually searching for the solution you're providing. Read through the thread, and this is really important. You don't want to skip this. You want to understand what people are actually asking so your comment fits naturally. Then go back into Engain and click on add comment. You can write the comment yourself or use AI to generate the draft. Either way, make sure to manually tweak it before posting so it sounds as natural and helpful as possible. The goal is to sound like a real user sharing their experience. Something like this. And it's important to not make it seem like you're promoting your business. Rather, comment from a customer's perspective that had a positive experience with your brand, and be specific. Now, posting the comment is step 1. Step 2 is getting it seen. Use rank my comment. Engain looks at how many upvotes the current top comment has, calculates exactly what you need to beat it, and schedules those upvotes gradually over several days. Gradual is the keyword. A spike of 200 upvotes overnight looks suspicious, and Reddit flags it. You can also add follow-up replies from separate accounts underneath yours. This creates more social proof and makes a thread feel more like a conversation. Schedule them 20 or 30 minutes apart. Click post and done. Engain handles it through a network of aged, high karma accounts, so you never touch Reddit directly. After that, everything moves into the task tracking tab. You can see the exact status of every comment, its current rank in the thread, and the estimated traffic value, and other important metrics. And after that, you just repeat this across other threads. There are dozens of high traffic threads in any product category. Do this consistently and it compounds fast. So as a recap, AI models like ChatGPT and Perplexity are recommending brands based on Reddit discussions. Reddit threads are pulling millions of monthly visitors from Google. And the top comments in those threads is what gets read and what gets cited. Engain finds those threads for you, lets you post through aged high karma accounts and pushes your comment to the top gradually and safely. You don't touch Reddit yourself. You don't build accounts. You don't guess which threads matter. You just show up in the right conversations and let compounding do its thing. That's the way e-com brands are getting loads of high intent traffic from Reddit and AI LLMs. If you want to try it out and rank your brand in Chat, Claude, or any other AI chatbot, I'll leave the link as the first one in the description. And if this was helpful, make sure to subscribe. We put out a lot of content on Reddit marketing and AI visibility that most people aren't even talking about yet. So, see you in the next one.